This HELLKit Glossy marble peel and stick film gives countertops and furniture a realistic gray and white stone look with a high shine finish that instantly updates a space. The generous roll size covers a large area, making it practical for full kitchen counters, long shelves, or multiple smaller projects without obvious pattern repetition. Its thicker vinyl construction resists tearing during installation and stands up well to everyday kitchen splashes thanks to its water-resistant and oil-resistant surface. The strong opacity helps disguise minor imperfections on existing surfaces, so dated laminate or scratched cabinets can look noticeably fresher once it is applied. Installation is straightforward because the backing has a grid for accurate cutting, and the adhesive allows careful repositioning while you smooth out bubbles. When applied to clean, smooth, and dry surfaces, this removable film adheres securely, yet can be peeled away later with minimal residue, making it a flexible choice for renters or frequent decorators.